Hello, this is Patience of Good Technologies. Welcome to another tutorial on Microsoft Excel. So today I will show you how to delete blank cells in a large data quickly, like in a minute. 1 second, in a second, really, very quickly. I'll also show you how to replace the blank cells with a particular, maybe a text or number, whatever you want to replace it with, okay? So let me show you how to do it. Join me. Right, so I have this list of information and I want to delete the blank cells. You can see it's the list of the numbers I have is quite long. Okay, so if I should do this one by one, it will take forever. You can see it's a large data. Okay, so what I want to do is delete the blank cells, all these blank cells in between. So I only have the numbers showing. What I'll do first is to select all the information. So I come here, click on the top here where I have the information, click it here. If it's more than, if the information spreads across, maybe I have information A, B, C, you select everything as well. So since I have only this, I'll just select this one. After selecting that, I come under the home tab, I come to where I have find and select, click on drop down, then come to go to special, click on go to special, then click on blanks, okay, and then say okay. You see all the blank cells will be selected. So after all the blank cells, let me just show you. So if I scroll down, you can see all the blank cells have been selected. So to delete them, so I'll just come to anywhere within my information and right click and select delete. Okay, so you have shift cells up. So what it means is once I delete cells, the other data will go up. So I'll just click OK, ensure it's on shift cells up and say OK. See, within a second, like I said, all the blank cells have been deleted and the other numbers are back up. So everything has been deleted. So I have all my numbers together. I don't have spaces in between any longer. Okay, so that's just how to delete blank cells. So I'll undo it. So let me do Ctrl Z to undo. So I want to show you another thing. I'm clicking out. So assuming you want the blank cells to have a number, maybe 0 or not applicable, NA, or whatever information you want to put in there, you can do that as well. So I'll show you how to do that. So you select the same process, okay, but just a little tweak. So I'll select everything, come to find and select, and click on go to special, click on your blanks as well and say okay. All right, so after selecting that, so let's say I want to say not applicable or I want to put 0. Let me say I want to put 0. Like I said, you can put anything. So the thing is, I'll come to the first, this where I have this one already, I can type on the first one and just put 0. After typing 0, press Ctrl Enter. So I click on I'll press Ctrl Enter, Ctrl Enter. You can see all the blank spaces have been replaced with 0. All the blank spaces. So let me undo this and use another, let me say not applicable, NA. Select it as well. So I will put a text this time, go to special, just the same process of selecting it, and then I'll type let me type NA this time, Control Enter. So after typing, just click on press Control Enter. You can see everything has been replaced with NA. So quite easy to do all your blank cells. So this is just how to work with your blank cells. All right, so like, comment, and see you in my next video. Have a blessed day. Bye.